Today we're going to look at the lift kit for the 300 series GR Sport, and we're going to be going over the differences between the 300 series standard models and the GR Sport model, so we can better understand what separates the GR Sport model from the standard 300 series models. Let's first explore what the GR Sport name means and where its origins come from. The GR badge, standing for Gazoo Racing, is Toyota's mark of performance and passion for motorsport. Originating in the early 2000s, Gazoo Racing began as a grassroots racing team, pushing the boundaries of speed and engineering excellence. This badge represents Toyota's dedication to creating vehicles that deliver thrilling driving experiences both on and off the track. Gazoo Racing was born from Toyota's desire to bring excitement to everyday driving, inspired by their success in competitive motorsports like World Rally Championships and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Now, let's talk about the GR Sport badge. While the GR badge is reserved for high-performance models like the GR Yaris and GR Supra, the GR Sport badge signifies a sportier, more dynamic version of Toyota's mainstream models. GR Sport vehicles feature enhanced styling, improved handling, and sporty interiors, offering a taste of Gazoo Racing's DNA without the full on-track focus. So whether it's full throttle excitement of a GR model or the spirited drive of a GR Sport, these badges represent Toyota's commitment to delivering joy and performance to every driver. For the 300 series specifically, the GR Sport version gets front and rear diff locks, the EKDSS or electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system, and also adaptive variable suspension. Additionally, it includes several cosmetic touches in the GR Sport styling and colors. The GR Sport lift kit includes front and rear springs while you maintain those factory Toyota shocks. This is so that way we can ensure you maintain OEM ride quality and the adaptive variable suspension system. These springs give you 50 millimeters or 2 inches of lift all around, giving you that desired and bold new look. When installing these springs, it's essential to reset your EKDSS, and this is to ensure that it still operates correctly. Instructions are included with the lift kits on how to do this as well. We always recommend getting upper control arms when you get this kit to be able to correct your caster and camber after the lift. And at the rear, as a minimum, we recommend getting the upgraded adjustable Panhard rod. This is to ensure that your rear axle's geometry is corrected after the lift, because the factory rod will pull the axle to one side once you raise it with these springs. For even better performance, we offer rear adjustable upper and lower trailing arms. These will help to correct your rear axle's geometry further, enhancing your vehicle's stability and handling. So don't wait and upgrade your GR Sport now by heading to the Fulcrum website and gearing up for your next adventure.